guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cori if you're new here, and this is a little bit different than what I normally do if you are a returning member. Since it's Halloween today, I thought I would record just like a simple, easy, last minute makeup look if you guys are like me and didn't get a costume.
Are not very skilled to do some of the other tutorials that are on here.
So if I can do this makeup, you guys can too. I use all things that I've already had in my makeup collection, so you don't have to go buy anything new. For easy, and you can wear all black with it. So basically it's just a little skeleton. So if you guys want to see how I achieved today's look, then just keep watching today's video. Alright, so I actually did this look when I was in college and I really liked it, so I'm gonna do it again just to show you guys a last minute little Halloween look, and you just want to do something simple and easy and not have to go scavenge through Walmart through the last like remnant costumes they have left. And I am no makeup artist at all, like not the best at it, and I can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So basically I'm just gonna start by doing my foundation and all the normal stuff, just a little bit lighter than I would normally do for like normal makeup because I'm supposed to be like a dead little skeleton. So I'm using this one from Jane Iredale. It's a little bit lighter than what my normal color is, but it's alright because I'm supposed to be dead. And just make sure you blend down to your neck so it's not like too drastic of a color difference. And that one's not like full coverage enough for what I want, so I'm gonna go in with my other one by Jane Iredale. This one is more full coverage. You can just use whatever foundation you have. Alright, so I just did my foundation and concealer, and now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder, which I think makes me look a little bit more paler, and it'll just set everything before I do like my eyes and like the teeth and stuff, and just go over all of that. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Morphe 35W palette, and I'm just going to use this shade right here just as like a transition shade, because I personally, so I have like really dark features and I have darker eyes as well, so whenever I do like super dark like eyeshadow and stuff, it just doesn't look good on me. So I like to keep it more natural with the eyeshadows and then add like dramatic eyelashes. I got this from Target and I love it. Okay. Alright. And these are the lashes I'm gonna use. I think I got them from Walgreens, but they're like thick and fluffy and perfect for Halloween. So I'm just going to go over the lash band with this eyeliner one more time just so they blend in a little better. And actually I kind of changed my mind. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with Spark. And then I'm going to use this little NYX palette that I got from Target, and I'm going to go in with that orangey shade. I hope these blend well. I haven't really used this one very much. Kind of like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop palette called Know Better. It's like a pink shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to take this little angled brush and go in with that same Spark color that I put on my lids and put it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with Berry Treasure, also just like on the outer corners of my lower lash line. Make my eyes look a little bit more hollow and spooky. Okay, now we're gonna do the cheekbones and the teeth. I think I'm gonna do the cheekbones first, and just to kind of outline where the teeth are gonna go so I don't like mess it up on the get-go with the black, I'm gonna go in with concealer and kind of draw a little line that I want to do. So what you're gonna do is find where your cheekbones are and kind of go up and down so it connects to your lips. I'm going to take your black eyeliner pen. If you have a gel one, that one would probably be easier. Like if you had one that you dip into a little pot thing, that would probably be the easiest. And it's okay if it's like a little crooked, so it looks like it's like cracked almost. And now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. glittery eyeshadow and just go over top of it to make it look cute and more glamorous. Alright, and now for the teeth, my concealer. This is gonna make your lips kind of dry, so just fair warning. But you're gonna put it on like lipstick. Just to kind of like conceal them, obviously, so you can, like, the teeth will look more white this way as well and more like teeth. Blend it. Now you're going to take your black eyeliner and you're going to line like the inside of your lips where they touch. It tickles really bad. And then you're gonna go in and just clean up, make it look more sharp. And then you're just gonna go in and make the teeth. So you're just gonna do a line from the top lip down to the bottom lip. To make it glamorous, you can take that sparkly eyeshadow again. Oh, I'm going to take my angled eyeliner brush and dip it in there just so it'll be a little bit more precise and thinner. I'm going to take this little tiny brush and I'm going to take just a matte black that I have. So I'm just going to use that Morphe one. You can use whatever you want. And I'm going to use this as like a contour just around these lines I've already made, just to make it more, give it more depth. I'm going to do it around my forehead as well. Now I'm just going to go in with this brush and blend everything out. So I didn't record me doing my nose, so that's good. But basically I just did like a little circle and went like followed the bridge of my nose almost. And did little lines up. Like that. I'm going to take that reddy color that I did on my eyes, and I'm going to take this bigger fluffy brush and like go where I did my lines for my cheeks, just on the edges. I just think that looks cool. And same thing, just blend that out. I'm just gonna go in with this Tarte highlighter. It's in the shade Stunner. Alright, and actually I'm not done yet. I'm gonna do highlighter on my teeth. Yeah, I'm gonna do black on my collarbones. I'm just using that black eyeshadow again. Okay, now I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll show you guys what the finished product. Alright, so here's the final look. I just put my hair in 2 little buns and put in these little black earrings and tied a bandana. I'm kind of going for like a rocker biker skeleton, I guess. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Stay safe, go outside and do something that makes you happy today, like trick-or-treating, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!